Hello student, welcome back. The topic is planning and scheduling and that subject is project management. In the Department of Civil Engineering, I am Deepak Kumar Bandewar, Assistant Professor SIITS Bhopal. Today's topic is planning and scheduling. What is planning? A short definition is planning to decide what, how and time estimate for a job. If you have a task and the scheduling is when and who will do the job. Planning of a job should be done before scheduling a job. Planning is the process of thinking about the activity required to achieve a desired goal. It is the it is the first and foremost activity to achieve desired result. If you have to plan some project or some task, you have to decide what and how, and after that you scheduling the job who and when. प्लानिंग में हम लोग देखते हैं कि जो भी टास्क मिला हुआ है आपको या जो भी वर्क मिला हुआ है आपको वो कैसे होगा और उसके बारे में कुछ रिसर्च है ना दैट इज आवर प्लानिंग पार्ट एंड द शेड्यूलिंग पार्ट इज इसे कौन करेगा और कब करेगा है ना पर्टिकुलर आपको डिसाइड करना पड़ता है कि किस प्रोजेक्ट लीडर को या किस प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर को ये काम आपको देना है दैट इज शेड्यूलिंग है ना कितने टाइम लिमिट में कितना विद इन बजट में ये काम आपका पूरा कर सकता है तो ये शेड्यूलिंग का पार्ट हो गया now planning is the key to any successful business no matter its size planning can help less workplace stress and increase productivity planning can help less workplace stress and increase productivity rather than plan work for your small business to for in advance do it daily modifying your agenda for the next day according to new priorities and unfinished business from the day before. This can help you accomplish goal more efficient. Projects are usually divided into many different tasks and works must plan their task ahead of time to bring the project to end result. A person can also plan ahead in case certain problems come up that could potentially delay the project. Or you can say planning is the process of thinking about the activities required to achieve a desired goal. Now come back to scheduling. Scheduling in a construction project is the process of listing of tasks, activities, milestone with a planned start and finish date. Proper scheduling work ensure the completion of the project on time and within budget. As we discussed before, not only does it or outline the pace of the work, but also how the tasks are executed. Scheduling involves allocating a time period for a specific task or workload and then assigning tasks to certain employees. Or you can say scheduling is the process of arranging, controlling, and optimizing work and workload in a production process or manufacturing process. It is important to account for peak period when scheduling. Manager must also schedule date for specific project tasks to be completed. Many small company managers use organized to stay on track with their assignment. Now, how to create a work plan? Some steps in this presentation. Uh, Step one is write down the goal of your plan. This should be the ultimate outcomes. What you want to achieve. What you what you want to achieve. Now, step two is set a goal date for your plan. Step third is break it down into small steps. Your task to break it down into small steps. Step number four is arrange the task in the proper order. Number five, break your task down further. Some small tasks. If any of your main tasks have smaller tasks that you need to accomplish, write those down too. Step number six is work backward from your goal date to set date for each of your tasks. For example, the final task before completing your goal should happen a day or two before your goal date. The task before that may happen a week before the goal date. Step number last or seven, schedule each task into your daily and weekly plan. This ensures that you do all of your tasks on time. I'll explain of all the steps. Step one is make a list of all of the tasks that you need to complete and break everything down into single days. Just write down the necessary tasks as they come to you. This free flow form of organization will be help you remember tasks you might otherwise forget. Step number two is what uh, start priorities your task. If necessary, break large tasks down into small one. Figure out what need to be done now, what need to be done before, and end of the day, and what can be completed another day. Schedule your day according to your priorities. If you need to finish a project as soon as possible, set aside enough time at the beginning of your day to complete this task. Schedule lesser priorities after lunch or at the close of your business day. Step 4, take your work habit into account. If you tend to focus better on tasks before lunch, make sure that all your complicated tasks are completed before this time. If you are more productive an hour before the close of your business day. Now, step number 5 is write down anything what did not get accomplished during your day. New day bring new challenges. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thank you so much.